Okay, everyone. Yeah, we are talking about subject-verb agreement. Yes, because it is the thing that really important for us to know the necessary function which always makes the learner know very well to place it right between the subject and verb. And you see the definition on the screen here. All right. So what is the first part I want to show you? The common specific one, I want to let everyone see about common subjects first. You can see here, common subject. So what is common subject? Common subject is the type of subject that we generally use it in a sentence. You can see here, okay? There are three persons in English that we call common subject. First person, second person, and third person. And you see here, common subject, we are talking about three types of persons. Three types of person: the first person, the second person, and the third person here. So each person divided as two, singular and plural. You can see here yeah, you are talking about yourself, you say I. I'm talking about myself, I say I. So I, this thing, singular. And yeah, you and I, you and I, we're talking together, you and I, so we can use the plural subject we. And the second one, the second person, you can see, yes, both subjects are you. Even though you want to talk about singular you want to talk about plural also you. Like you say, normally you always hear from your teacher coming to the class. He or she always speaks, hey, hi everyone, how are you? How are you not mean only one of us, all of you in the class. So how are you? But when we are talking directly together, I'm talking with you. So you only one, that's fine, also you. But when all of you, most of you stand in front of me, two people, three people, and many people, yes, stand in front of me, and I'm talking with you, that's mean plural subject. So actually talking about specific moment, specific thing we see. Yeah, move to see the third person. So third person we refer to he, she, it. Yeah, he, she, it, singular. And when we want to talk about plural, you can say they. All right, they, two, start from two. Two up, two, three, four, they. All right, but when we're talking about singular, you can say he, she, it. It is singular. So all of this, everyone, the necessary, and also it is the essential part, that is singular, third person singular subject. This is the point we are talking now. All right, first person, second person, no problem, because all of this subject and also a third person plural, I can say first person, second person, and third person plural. Three of the type subjects take a simple verb. No need to change anything with this subject. I can say like I go, we go, you go, all right, they go. But the thing we are focusing now, you can see my point here, we are talking about third person singular. So only three subjects here we are learning how to specifically place the subject and verb correctly together. So this is talking about third person singular subject, because it is the part which the verb always follows strictly by the singular verb. Okay, singular verb. The rest of it always take base form of verb. So some rule I want to show you. The first, let us see here. The first, you can see the first rule. Yeah, normally we add generally s, or is to the singular verb. Singular verb. You can see example here. She speaks, she watches, she cries. All right.